you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a little bit of catch-up work. It is Sunday. I'm filming a whole bunch of unboxings I've gotten throughout the month of January so far. And today I have the Ipsy glam bag, or the Ipsy original, I think is what it's called now. This is the Ipsy mystery glam bag. This is the pink Prism glam bag. And it's this super cute iridescent pink. I'm obsessed with a pink like this. If you can't tell, I love wearing baby pink. And it has this really cute green teardrop. I did just finish filming this like Violet Boss makeup look, so if you want to see how I got this purpley pink self-love Valentine's look, you can check it out here. And let's see what's inside this little glam bag. It does have the lime green inside, which I love because it's foreshadowing spring. First thing I see is the Perfect Volume Thickening Hair Mask from Nature Lab. Let's give her a smell. Ooh, so good. It's a little bit powdery, the smell, and floral. Very bright. It smells like Amika products, which I love that smell. If you're familiar with Amika, that's what that smells like. Love that. Okay, next is the Mudmasky Melting Mud Cleansing Mask. I do believe I already have a little trial size of these, so that's great to travel with. Next is, what is this? Mo Beauty. What is this? Multi-dimensional liquid eyeshadow. Interesting. The last product I tried from this company totally fell apart in the component. It was like a jelly blush and stained my sweatpants, and then the actual product was not very good. Oh, this one right here. I don't even want to open it in case it falls out again, but I'm gonna give this one a try. Let's see. Ooh, it's actually really pretty. Really pretty. Okay, I'll give you guys another go. That's cute. I like that. Let's see. It's like pink gold prism. Oh, I see it's separating already, which is weird. Next in here is a Chica Beauty Bronze and Glow liquid highlighter in bronze glow. I'm not going to open this. I think I already have one of these, so I'm not going to open that. Put it in my little giveaway bin. And lastly, in this little glam bag that is so stinking cute, Sweet Peach Lip Glaze. Shea Butter, Peptides, this is Glossmetics. These like new lip glosses I'll throw in my gym bag. I always gloss up while I'm working out. And if I don't like them, I just kind of move on from them. Interesting color. It really is like peach. You can see that? I'll zoom in. It's like actually peach. Cute. Love that. And that is what was in my pink Prism mystery bag from Ipsy. If you like these videos, please subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.